Hi, IT here. Welcome back to the next video in this series. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and like and subscribe down below so you will be kept in the loop. Also, ring the bell for any updates I make to the video series. So if you're following along on this series, you know that if you partner with me, you literally get everything you need to have for a home-based business. And that includes all your funnels and email follow-ups done for you in an app on your phone right at your fingertips. And you can go back to see everything you get in the previous videos if you act now and partner with me now with the link below. And yes, you can literally do this from 1 to 2 hours a day right from an app on your phone from anywhere. And I'm going to show you that in this video. Now keep in mind, you can do this from the desktop also, and that is where I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly what to do in this video. So let me go ahead and head over to our backdrop training here. Let's see, right here is our training site. Our funnel team training. This is what you get for free when you partner with me today. So this is all exactly same as you get in the app. And I guess ask all the time for members already in the business, but on another team, if they can use the app, and the answer is no, sorry, you have to be on our team. This app is exclusive and nobody outside our team can get access to it. So let's get into what do you do exactly daily to make legit money online. So you literally go step by step through the videos in order, and you don't binge watch like Netflix. It won't do you any good if you don't watch, learn, and do. So you watch the video, see what it says, and then you literally do it. So every section has an app overview, or actually an overview video, and every section has a what's next video or a recap video. After the overview, there's a time blocking video. And that's important because, well, it's like planning your success, because you're going to start to treat this like a job, because then it will pay you like a job. It's not a hobby that you get money here and there. You want to make it a steady income and grow it. So this is going to be a good business. It's going to help you carve out time for your business because everybody's schedule is different. And so this is going to be, helps you cater your unique schedule. Then you're going to set up your forwarding domain. You watch this video, and then here's your members area where you can go to your the actual company that we're promoting. So you're going to set up your forwarding domain. We teach you how to market this, literally creating content unique to you, so your domain is going to match that. So the only money you're going to spend is about $12 for your domain at GoDaddy.com, or you can use any of the other domain hostings if you want. We just use GoDaddy in this example here. And the link will be clean and easy for your viewers to remember so that they can get started with you right away, instead of all those numbers and jumbled up numbers and letters out at the end of a link. So in the next video, we show you how to set up your links. We go over the different links that you can choose, and one is the one that connects to your app, so you can get that cha-ching on your phone. So let's see, where's the links? Yeah, your domain links. So one is, there's a couple of different links in here. This one here connects to your into your app. So if you use this link, you get that cha-ching on your phone every time you get a lead, and that will have the lead's name, email, and phone number, so you can follow up like I mentioned in a previous video in this series. Okay, so the next step is to use the link you just got to set up your social media accounts in your app and online, and we show you how to do this in this video step by step with a few of our social media accounts. Next, you'll watch the take action video, which it's an overview which shows you the proven steps that will work if you work it. This is a system that has worked for hundreds of members on my team to get results, again, proven to work for you if you do the work. And then there's an take action 1, and there's a take action 2. There's this one here. If you want to show your face and you're not shy in front of the camera, we walk you through what to do there. And this is if you want to start out putting content out there without showing your face at first. But we really, really want you to get you to be comfortable in front of the camera, because mainly people follow you. They don't follow a system, they follow the people. So I encourage you to eventually get on camera, because in all reality, people do follow people, and your tribe is out there. You just have to show them that you're available with the methods we show you. And these methods are proven to work. Best of all, they're free. And again, all you do is click the link in the description, and you will get access to this exact site and training. And you'll also get access to the best kept secret online, and that is our exclusive to our team, the all-in-one business app. And in this training, I give you a folder of a bunch of content already done for you. So you can grab any of this content and copy it, meaning we show you how to create this exact video for yourself and post it to the social media accounts. You just set it up. Really, it's that simple, folks. I mean, it's literally, you can't mess this stuff up. I mean, really. And all these skills you're learning, you can apply it to any business, and it will pay you for life. So after you do the action 1 and action part 2, you're going to go to the DM formula, and that is direct message. You're going to start getting messages back from people who are interested in what you have, so you will learn here how to respond, what to say, when to say it. There are even replies to potential questions that people may have, so you can respond intelligently and reply the right thing. And here's a step-by-step there for you, so it explains on that little document there. So this applies to comments on your content, and well, you're going to know how and when to reply to these comments, to the comments people leave on your post. So simple, guys. We give you the videos to clone, we give you what to say, we tell you where and when to post your content. That's the first part in the Fast Start Guide, setting up so you know when you are going to work your business, step by step what to do, and start putting your business out there and getting leads and sales. After this section, you will review what you just learned in the What's Next video, and then what's to come in the next section. So click and like the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos in the series. And don't forget to head over to the link in the video so you can create your own account and get started making leads and sales. And I will see you in the next video, where we will go over the Fast Start Guide Part 2. See you there.